Hi, I'm Ree, and I suffered with an eating disorder for around 5 years, but now I'm fully recovered and work as a peer mentor for the eating disorders team. With recovery, I found when I first started, it was really difficult and felt like the worst decision I ever made and questioned why I was doing this every day. But gradually, as I went through the process and my life started coming back together, now I look back and realise it was the best decision I ever made and I would never go back.
Yes, same for me. I'm still in recovery. I'm in the maintenance stage at the moment, and so recovery for me is so important because you can be recovered from an eating disorder, and that's what I want in life, is to be recovered from my eating disorder so I have the best possible life and I'm able to do things I couldn't do before, and I can see my friends and do courses and stuff like that. And being recovered just means I have a nice healthy lifestyle that I never had before.
Definitely, I think it's getting that message out to people that full recovery is possible, because I know there's this, sometimes people believe it isn't, but it genuinely is possible and it's so worth it.
Yeah, I think at the beginning of my journey with my eating disorder, I didn't think it was possible, but now I'm coming towards the end of my recovery, I think it is definitely possible.
Yeah, it is 100% possible. I never thought I'd be in the place I am now, and with all the help of the services and everything I've got there, and it just feels amazing to say I had an eating disorder, not that I have one anymore.
Definitely.